discuss about the previous GATE paper in the year of 2011, the communication subject. The topic is related to the amplitude and angle modulations. The given question is match the following. In the column 1 there are four characteristics of the modulations are given. In the column 2 the corresponding modulations techniques are given. The P is the first one, power efficient transmission of signals, and the second one is most bandwidth efficient transmission of voice signals, simplest receiver structure, and S is bandwidth efficient transmission of signals with a significant DC component. In column 2 4 modulation techniques are given. Those are conventional AM, FM, VSB and SSPSC. Now we'll see the what are the correct matchings. First point is that one is power efficient transmission of signals. Okay, in generally all amplitude modulations, those are conventional AM, DSPSC, SSPSC, VSB. In those modulations, the power of the carrier after modulation is more than before modulation. That means the power is completely increases for all the amplitude modulation. But in the frequency modulation, after the modulation there is no change in the power. So the same power is required for the carrier before modulation and after modulation for FM modulation only. That's why in the given modulations the power and efficient transmission of signal is done by FM modulation. That's why the P is matched with 2. And the second one is most bandwidth efficient transmission of voice signals. Okay, in this one we have a FM, VSB, SSB, conventional AM. For generally for the voice signal transmission, the FM wave and the VSB wave, SSBSC, not VSB, SSB, FM wave and SSB both are used for the voice signal communication. But most bandwidth efficient means here the FM requires the bandwidth is more, at least more than the 2 FM, and by using the Carson rule that is also more than 2 FM. So higher bandwidth is required for the FM wave. Now coming to the SSB, in the SSB modulation the bandwidth is same as the frequency of the message signal only, that is FM. Okay, where FM wave, SSBC both are used to transmit voice signals, but bandwidth efficient means the SSBS is most suitable. That's why the Q is matched with the fourth one, that is SSBSC. Next, simplest receiver structure. Okay, here the conventional AM, FM, VSB, SSC is there. In that conventional AM, for the conventional AM the envelope detector is used. The detector is envelope detector. This envelope detector contains only one diode and resistance and capacitance only. Very less number of components are required for the conventional AM receiver. So that is very simple structure. So the simplest receiver structure among these all modulation is conventional AM only. Now the correct matching is R to 1. Next, the final one is bandwidth efficient transmission of signals with a significant DC component. Okay, for this one the conventional AM is also with a significant DC component, and here VSB also with a significant DC component. But here the conventional AM bandwidth is required as at least to 2 FM, the conventional band, where the VSB bandwidth is FM plus FV only, where FV is the very small frequency. That's why the S is matched with third one. Now the answer option is